Welcome to induction cooking. Induction cooktops offer you a whole new way to cook. Getting to know your new induction cooktop is simple. Before you start, make sure you apply a ceramic cooktop cleaning cream and buff with a clean washcloth to help prevent scratches. This will preserve the appearance and function of your cooktop. Induction cooking uses electromagnets to create heat. Unlike other cooking surfaces, the sensors beneath each cooking zone require certain conditions to operate. If a cooking zone is turned on and cookware is not detected, the display flashes and heat does not generate. Cookware must contain magnetic iron or steel. Check cookware compatibility by sticking a magnet on the base and side. The magnet must cling firmly for cookware to work. This symbol on your cookware indicates that it's induction friendly. It's important your cookware has a flat bottom to make contact with the entire cooking surface. Your cookware must fit minimum and maximum size requirements for the cooktop to work. Cookware that's too small for a zone may not activate the cookware detection sensor, while cookware that is much larger than a cooking zone will still cook, but may be slower and uneven. If your cookware is not a perfect fit, it's best to use a zone a little smaller than the bottom of the cookware. The induction cooktop offers many features for creating yummy meals. The cooking zone indicator will show the setting for the cooking zone you are using. Place cookware on the cooking zone and press the on-off key to begin or finish cooking. Slide a finger across or press a number to set the power level. The levels range from low to high, or 1 to 9. P is the most powerful setting. Note, the max power setting will only remain active for 10 minutes before returning to level 9. Press lock to prevent accidental activation of cooking zones. The Templock control feature monitors heat and adjusts the power to maintain a consistent temperature during cooking. When cool batter, liquid, or food is added to a hot pan, the pan cools down. Templock senses this change and uses extra power to maintain the desired temperature setting. The feature also lets you know when your cookware is preheated, so making pancakes or sautéing fresh food has better results. Press the Templock control to activate or deactivate this function. When in use, the indicator will turn red. Press a number key to select one of the 9 preset cooking levels. While the cooking zone is heating, the square above the indicator will blink. When the temperature is reached, the square will stay lit. Change the setting at any time by pressing another number key. Now let's use the Serve Warm function. When Serve Warm is activated, the cooking zones are set to a low power level to keep foods warm. Press the Serve Warm indicator. The indicator will turn red. Adjust the timer as needed. Some models include a timer indicator that shows the cooking time currently left. To activate this feature, press On/Off to turn the countdown timer on or off. Press the plus key to increase the amount of time on the timer. Press the minus key to reduce the amount of time on the timer. The bridge function allows 2 left cooking zones to work together, enabling you to use larger cookware like a griddle. When a cooking zone is turned off, it may remain hot due to contact with hot cookware. The hot surface indicator, H, will come on and remain visible until the cooking zone cools to a safe temperature. It's perfectly normal to hear a slight buzzing or humming sound when using your induction cooktop. The magnetic field over the induction cooking zone may cause the cookware to vibrate, especially on high settings. You may also notice a faint clicking sound from the electronic switches that maintain the desired cooking temperature. To learn more about your induction cooktop, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.